Hi all, this is Dr. Sage Breslin, and this is Wisdom Wednesdays. It's an incredible feeling when you're the one in charge, when you're the one doing things, controlling things, making decisions, living at the top of the hill. It's really so challenging when you feel yourself sliding down the hill or in need. And I think there is almost a shame or embarrassment when it happens. And when you're in a toxic relationship, you can feel that downhill slide. You can feel yourself falling off the top of the hill. You can feel yourself less and less able to clearly and definitively make those decisions. You begin to question yourself. You begin to wonder if you're all that, kind of reminiscent of imposter syndrome. You begin to feel the need to have validation from others, which you may never have experienced before. And so you look for the cheap and simple. You look for it on social media. You look for the low-lying fruit, right? Even maybe falling for scams because you're so hungry to have that validation, to feel like somebody is giving you something for nothing, like somebody is really seeing you, hearing you, and wanting to comfort you. Because by the time you begin feeling that low, sort of confused or muted state, that narcissist has worked you over and you're wanting comfort. And by the way, the narcissist by then has stopped the love bombing and started the gaslighting and belittling and shaming and criticizing and even this dry begging that trying to cause you to feel as if you are the problem and that you don't have anything to offer and that you're not all that. But you know what? You are. You are all that. You are underneath all of this weight and burden and heaviness. So if you need help remembering that, just contact me. This is Wisdom Wednesdays. And if you feel yourself sliding downhill, A, look for the handholds. B, use the ice pick quick. Grab hold in any way you can. And C, get your resources in order to do anything you can to stop the slide so that you don't fall beneath the water.